Meanwhile, Energy Minister Daryl Vaz has lauded the JPS for the $50 million fund for residents in St. Elizabeth. However, he said the company should extend the same courtesy to customers in other parishes.
I still believe that based on the length of time that they have taken to restore other areas, there should be some concession and some compassion to them, whether in terms of discounts, which I know they are doing, but also payment plans. A lot of people have been completely wiped out based on the length of time for restoration. And therefore, we have to make sure and work with them so they can get back on their feet. And it won't happen overnight and it won't happen in a month.
Mr. Vaz also asserted that it is not enough for the company to provide an August 31 timeline for restoration. He said they should publish a schedule for when each community will receive electricity so residents can plan their lives accordingly.